welcome back to my channel. And today we are back with another rocking video. If you are new to this channel, then you know what to do. Just like, share and subscribe to my channel, that's it. So let's don't waste too much of time and let's get going. As you can see on the screen, I have got my Sharpies. I only have 26 since I didn't want to waste too much on the Sharpies, because I have never used these before. It's my first time using these, so don't mind me exploring these Sharpies. Here I have a blue fine point Sharpie. And here I have a red Sharpie. I have got this blue fat Sharpie. They look pretty cool. Anyways, so in today's video we are going to do 3 marker challenge. In this video I'm going to pick 3 random Sharpies. Don't worry, I'm not gonna cheat, and then I'm gonna draw 3 pictures to try different varieties. So on the screen you would be seeing a color wheel. I don't want you guys to think that I'm cheating, that's why we are going to use a color wheel. All I'm going to do is spin the wheel 3 times, and whatever color I'm gonna get, that's the color I'm gonna use. So let's spin the wheel. Here I go. Wow, I got green. Now let's spin the wheel again. We got green again. I mean, I don't want to use it again, so let's spin it again. Indigo. I don't want to use this color, so I'm gonna spin it again. Sorry about this, guys. We got blue. Not that bad. Let's spin it again. Last time. Wow, we got purple. Let's don't waste time, and let's get drawing. I have got my drawing book, and I have already drawn 3 drawings, as you can see on the screen. I have drawn this in my free time. Here I have drawn a ribbon. I mean, I had no idea what to draw, so I just drew a ribbon. While I was drinking my juice, that gave me an idea to draw a drink. I rushed it, so it doesn't look that good, and finally, I drew a feather. So let's start off by the ribbon. I'm gonna use the 3 colors to color the ribbon in. I'm gonna color the ribbon in purple, and the stripes in green, and I'm gonna color the inside of the ribbon blue. So let's start. Just checking if the pin goes through or not. The coloring would take long, so let me show you a magic. See, that was quick. Well, it looks pretty cool. What do you guys think? Comment down below. That just ruined my drawing. OMG. Oh well, it didn't ruin that much, so we will just leave it, but next time I will remember to put a paper underneath the drawing. With my green, now I'm going to color the stripes in. Let me show you a magic again. Wow, it looks good so far. If we color the blue then it will look more cool. Yay, finally we have finished. So what do you guys think? Does it look good? Now I'm gonna color the cauldron in, but I'm gonna waste your time so I'm gonna fast forward the coloring. These were all my drawings. Hope you enjoyed the video.